Hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, so this next video is on the topic of Tai Chi and how to develop Tai Chi. Now, we've looked at the body mechanics of vital energy, how to relax and hang the muscles, open the joints, focus your will on the breath, and condense this feeling of Jin inside your body through building the ball, through standing practices and so forth. Once you've done that, where you have a substantial amount of vital energy and you're feeling, and you've applied your willpower to that feeling to bring it up, and you've had to go through these stages of building, and then you use less will and more attention to invoke that feeling of energy, so that just attention or listening to the energy brings it up to the surface. That's the signal. Now it's time to release time, to slow the energy down. So we went through the 4-breath cycle: breathe the life force in, enter the stillness, calibrate the stillness, breathe the stillness and the life force out, pause, stop breathing, enter the stillness.